Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick recipe, and this is done in one of the easiest forms of cooking there is, called a rice cooker. And I think I had another recipe on this rice cooker in another video, but this is a new recipe. This is just a $19 Black and Decker that you can get. Works awesome. It's a set it and forget it system. So you start with a good rice. You can rinse the rice. You don't have to, but you can. I use half rice to one full water, so it's a 2-to-1 recipe. Okay, uh, one rice, two water. Okay, guys, and from there, I added my seasonings. I added a tiki masala. How's that? Tiki masala. It's an Indian spice. Has some cumins in there, and I'm looking for the makeup of this particular. Some of them are different, and trying to see cumins and corianders. So let me see if this can even show it. Having a hard time focusing. Can we? There we go. Okay, tiki masala. Usually they do a chicken and yogurts, but I like this as just a seasoning in my rice. I'm surprised I don't just see an ingredients list on this. Should be right here somewhere. I'll find it. Here we are at the bottom. Okay, we have paprika, we have cumin, ginger, turmeric, coriander, cinnamon, and cashmere chili. Okay, you can see that on the bottom. All right, so here's the little tip and trick. Other things that I have in here is I threw a little bit of mixed frozen veggie. Okay, just to add some veggies. Some sliced onion. Add some freshness to it. And what else did I add in here? I added some bacon. Bacon for the natural fats, for a little bit of the smoky. You know, everybody loves bacon, and that'll all tie in. Okay, so that's it. One rice, two water. I added the tiki masala seasoning. I added the vegetables of mixed vegetable. You can add any vegetables you'd like, really. And I'm going to add a little more. I didn't add any salt, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt, pepper. You can always add more salt. You can't take it out, right? Some people are high blood pressure and can't do the salt, so I limit salt. It takes about 20 minutes for this to automatically shut down. It's in a cook mode right now. Push down on it, and somehow by magic or whatever it does, maybe temperature and time or whatever, it goes into the warm factor and means it's done. Whether it's a weight, I believe it might be a weight thing, because when I lift it up, it goes into a warm only. I'm going to reset it. So has to be a weight factor where it steams out, and that's its miracle process. Steams out, weight's reduced, and that loss of weight puts it into a stop mode and keeps it warm. Puts it in the warm mode. So I'm going to put the top on. Steams out here. And guys, in about 20 minutes, you're going to have some awesome rice. Set it and forget it. And this will stay warm for all day. Okay? So you can Do it. Let it do its thing. Come back in a few hours. Have your company ready. And enjoy. All right, guys? Hope this helped you. Easy rice in the rice cooker.